Have you read that book or seen the movie The Secret? It talks about the law of attraction and the idea that if you think positively, you attract positive things. But The Secret actually borrowed this concept from Buddhism. The law of attraction is what we call the mystic law, and as soon as people start practicing, amazing things begin to happen. Money starts coming in out of nowhere. You start seeing strange hints when making big life decisions. Your business suddenly takes off, and the best part, you just have to do it. Here are 5 reasons why this is the most powerful practice you can start today. Most spiritual practices take years before you feel anything, but Nichiren Buddhism works instantly, sometimes in just days. For example, a person recently started chanting and within 4 days began manifesting thousands of dollars every single day from unexpected sources. Is this magic? No, it's simply cause and effect. You change and the world responds. And the best part? Just do it and see what happens. Many people spend their whole lives trying to find themselves. They travel, switch jobs, read self-help books, hoping to discover who they really are. But what if you don't need to find yourself? What if you can create yourself? Chanting helps you make bold moves, see hidden opportunities, and actively shape the life you want instead of waiting for it to happen. Let's be honest, life doesn't always go your way. People betray you, jobs fall through, and unexpected problems hit from nowhere. Most people react to life like a leaf in the wind, getting thrown around by their emotions. But with Nichiren Buddhism, you stay grounded no matter what's happening. For example, imagine you're driving and suddenly hit a huge pothole. If your car has bridge suspension, you feel a little bump, but keep driving. If your car has no suspension, you lose control and maybe even crash. Chanting is like upgrading your life suspension. Problems still happen, but you absorb the shock and keep moving forward instead of getting wrecked. This is where things get crazy. The moment people start chanting, things in their lives start lining up in the weirdest ways. Like you think about someone, and they suddenly text you, you need money, and out of nowhere you get a check in the mail. You're about to be late for an important meeting, but suddenly traffic clears up at the last second. Remember the person who chanted and manifested thousands of dollars every single day from unexpected sources? That's not just luck. That's what happens when your energy shifts. The world starts responding to you in ways you never noticed before. Here's something nobody talks about. When you change, your environment changes with you. At first you might think, okay, chanting helps me, but what about the people around me? Ever noticed how when you're in a bad mood, suddenly everything around you feels worse? People seem rude, things don't go your way, and everything is annoying. But when you're feeling good, suddenly people treat you better. Strangers are nicer, conversations flow, and opportunities come out of nowhere. That's what happens when you chant. Your energy shifts and the world mirrors it back to you. Your boss might suddenly recognize your hard work. Your relationships improve, even with people you struggled with before people start respecting you more without you even asking. You don't have to force people to change. When you change, they respond differently, naturally. So let's go over it again. 1. You see results fast, sometimes within days. You don't need to find yourself. You create yourself. 3. You become unshakable in the face of problems. 4. Life starts sending you weird coincidences. And 5. You become the main character of your own story. And the best part, it's free. It takes you 5 minutes a day and you can try it out right now. And here's what I challenge you to do. Chant Myoho Renge for just 5 minutes today. If nothing happens, cool, no harm done. But if something shifts, even just a little, maybe this is worth exploring. Comment Myoho Renge. Let's start here. If you've ever wondered why some people get crazy results while others don't, this video on the left explains why. Click and find out.